Good morning. This is day 2 on our road trip, and we're in the city of Vigan. It's a beautiful city. Last night we went on a horseback ride and just walked the town. And join me today as we head on to a different town, and I'll see you when I get there. Plaza Hotel has over 140 years of history to speak of. It has been a witness to many historic events, introduction of cultures, and changing of eras. Mandaga umaga. This is our breakfast this morning.
Oh my god.
We got some rice, scrambled eggs, look like pinakbet, some fried fish, and some longanisa.
Longanisa, yeah.
Yeah, we had cafe and biada at the hotel. After breakfast, our departure time was at 12 o'clock, so we had several hours to explore Vigan. Vigan is a city in the Philippines on the west coast of Luzon Island. It's known for its preserved Spanish colonial and Asian architecture. Calle Crisologo dominates the Mestizo district with its cobblestone streets, Malecon, horse-drawn carriages, and rustic mansions. Near the white Barque Vigan Cathedral are Plaza Salcedo, offering fountain light shows, and Plaza Bargos, known for its street food stalls. Special thanks to Art, who recorded his colossal ride through the historical town of Vigan. Vigan is the most intact example in Asia of a planned Spanish colonial town established in the 16th century. Its architecture reflects the coming together of cultural elements from elsewhere in the Philippines and from China and those of Europe and Mexico to create a unique culture and townscape without parallels anywhere in the East and Southeast Asia. An important training post before the colonial area, Vigan is located at the river delta of Araba River along the northwestern coastline of the main island of Luzon in the province of Ilocos Sur, Philippine archipelago.
Kuya, dito na kami. Kuya.
Hi, how are you? Salamat po. Salamat din po maganda. Maraming po salamat. Na-enjoy nyo namin. Salamat po.
So, how was your ride?
Oh my God, it's good. Oh my God, we saw all the old buildings. What you call this? The Spaniards came over here, and we enjoyed our short trip to Vigan, Ilocos Sur. here at Vigan Sur with my rich nephew, Al Alfred from Washington State. See? He enjoying his trip also.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
All right,
And
what
did
you
you see
done?
this t-shirt? This is from?
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Thank
souvenir
you.
with
The
my
t-shirt.
rich uncle. His rich nephew.
Alfred,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah. Burgos, Vigan City, UNESCO World Heritage Site. You have the Vigan Conservation Complex, City Hall, Verdict, Children's Museum, and the River Cruise. Visiting the town of Vigan, I highly recommend you stop by Tongsen's Royal Bibimbap. Purchase 1 or 2 boxes as a snack. It's very delicious. We departed Vigan City around 12:15. As you can see, our road trip to San Juan, where La Union Beach is 2 hours and 13 minutes. And just a reminder, the restrooms at gas stations do not have toilet seats or toilet paper. And like I said on my last video, you need to bring your own toilet paper, hand sanitizers, or wipes if you're going on a road trip in the Philippines. And that's the general right here, General Wilbur.
Yeah. Our president. Oh, your cellphone. Baka mahulog.
towels in there too? I'll go look for people. We finally made it to the beach and I'm walking in. We're in La Union, Philippines. As you can see, the water is nice and clear. I'll show you how nice and clear it is. For dinner, we had tacos and ceviche. It was really nice sitting on the beach, watching people and eating our meal. Weather was perfect for a beautiful sunset, so we sat on the beach and watched the sunset. And we stayed on the beach till late evening, just talking, having fun with the whole group. What a beautiful way to end the day, sitting on a beach and watching the sunset. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you want to follow me on my next adventure, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, when possible, go outside and explore.